Hi, this is Dan with the Homegrown Food Forest. We're coming at you from Central Florida, Zone 9B. And today we're going to talk to you about our blue Java banana plants. Today's a very special day. Not only is it the 4th of July, but it's also the day that we get to harvest our rack of bananas that we've been waiting for 5 months now. This particular variety is called the blue Java banana. It's a little bit shorter than the variety that you will get from the typical grocery store. And it's also called the ice cream banana. It's called that because it does have a little bit of a vanilla taste, and it's kind of got a blue tint to it, and we'll go up to a little closer. But when it does ripen, it becomes yellow just like your standard banana. It has a vanilla taste, and it's got a creamy texture similar like a custard. Banana plants, they are unique in that they're not actually trees. They're more of herbaceous plants similar to grasses, and they'll basically be constantly putting up new pups and new shoots. They don't grow by seed, and we've had this particular variety for about 5 years now, and we bought them as a small pup off of eBay, and we've harvested a couple racks so far. This particular one we've been waiting about 5 months to harvest. These particular blue Javas, they are a very fast-growing tree, or fast-growing plant. I always call them trees, but they're actually just the plants. But they are about 15 feet tall, so we have 1/10 of an acre, and as you can see, these are much higher than our house is. Right now there's 2 different racks. There's one over just behind me, and this one is not quite ready yet. You can kind of tell whenever they are ready because the end of it will fill out. You can see on this one that it's a little bit pointed, and you can kind of see the angular ridges on the actual bananas that are sticking out. The one that we will be harvesting is over there on the right hand side. So we're up here right now focusing on the banana plant that we're going to be harvesting the rack from here shortly. What I have here in my hand is the actual banana flower. This, along with the flag leaf, appeared about 5 months ago, and some people will cut this off to get more nutrients to the bananas, but we leave ours on. It does attract additional honeybees or bumblebees, and it doesn't seem to affect the flavor or the quality of the fruit that gets produced. Some cultures do eat this flower as well. I've not tried it before, but that's another thing to note about it as well. Along this large stalk here, we're going to make our way up to the actual banana rack. So this is the blue Java banana rack. You can see it does have kind of a bluish hue to it, and this pointed end right here, it's more filled out. The ridges aren't quite as angled as the other one that's still not ready yet. And this right here is the flag leaf. So both this and the flower appeared about 5 months ago. And we're going to be harvesting this whole thing here shortly to get some delicious bananas. All right, so we're ready for harvest time. We got our little serrated saw here. And first I'm going to cut this flower off just to make it a little lighter for us. So I'm just going to chop that off. Throw that down there. Got our rack. It's important just to make sure you grip this very tightly so it doesn't fall and so you don't fall off the ladder. We're just going to make a couple cuts here. There we have it. This is our rack of bananas. And as I said before, this entire plant we will cut down. It will no longer produce any other bananas from this particular tree. And we're going to do chop and drop on it and use that plant matter to fertilize and feed the rest of the yard. All right, so here we have our blue Java banana rack. We're going to hang it like this. We have it propped up on a ladder, and we counted it. We have 72 bananas, so we're really excited to be able to eat these, put them in smoothies. We end up freezing a bunch of them because these do tend to ripen all at once, and just too many that we can eat all at one time fresh. This does leak out some sap, so you want to put a towel or some cardboard or something under that so it doesn't stain your floor. Usually takes about 4 to 5 days for these to start turning yellow and be ready to eat. Thank you for joining us. I hope you all have a happy 4th of July. Be sure to check out our website, homegrownfoodforest.com, and like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Grow your own food.